Hello friends and welcome to A Better Life. So do you also feel confused during the online classes and cannot focus properly? Worry not, because I have got some really interesting hacks for all of you. So what are these hacks about? These hacks are about number 1, how to concentrate better during your online classes. Number 2, how to create your own distraction-free zone. Number 3 is the 5 hacks of what you can do right after your classes so that you can get maximum out of your online classes. Not only this, number 4th part of the video will talk about the exercise that will really help you to concentrate better during your online classes. So let's begin with the video. First thing first, one thing which is really important during your online classes, and that is these earphones. Why? Because whenever we sit at home and study, there is a lot of distraction around. But these headphones or the earphones will cut off the distraction and will help you to focus better. Hack number 2, you should always read the text before the class starts. Why? Because in case there is a technical glitch in between, or there is some internet connectivity issue and you miss out on one word or the other, you know what is going to be the sequence of the matter that has been taught in the class and you can focus better. Hack number 3, always sit with a planner in hand. Why, you would ask? And my answer is simple. When the task has been given in the class, or you do not understand something and you think there and then that this is what I'm gonna check out from other videos or from here or from there, you can write it down in the planner there and then, and that will really help you out. Hack number 4, switch off all the notifications, because these notifications are the biggest distractions whenever we are studying during the online classes. Hack number 5, keep a water bottle handy and place it right on your table. You ask me why? Because if you are dehydrated, you will face the problem of brain fogging and you will keep forgetting things. So this will really help you out. Let's move on to the next hack, and that is, in case you have a gap of 2 hours in between one class and the other, I would highly recommend that you slip in for a small nap of almost 30 to 40 minutes. This will really energize you up. It will really consolidate all the information that you've gathered in your class. And hack number 7 is going to be your posture. Posture is very important during the online classes. If we slouch, so the brain gets the signal to be lazy and the brain is not attentive. But when you sit in a proper position and a proper posture, the brain gets the signal that it has to be alert and awake. Let's move on to part 2 of the video, and that is the setup for the online classes. It is very important to have a perfect setup during the online classes to get the maximum result out of our online classes. So what we can do for that? Number 1 is we have to put the laptop at the eye level, and for that you can put a shoebox or you can stack up some books so that the laptop or the phone that you're using should be at the eye level if you're not having a table handy. Hack number 2, if the sunlight is coming from the back, okay, on your computer or on your mobile phone, you're not able to see things properly. Always make sure that the light is not coming right from your back on the screen. Alright, and also if you are sitting with the wall in front of you, what you can do is you can take some lights and put the lights facing the wall, wherein the light will reflect and you can see properly. Hack number 3, you should never face the bed. This will make you really sleepy and you would not want to attend your classes. Let's come to part 3 of the video, and that is 5 things that you should do right after the online classes that will really help you out. And what are these? Let's see. Number 1 is act on the planner. We have already made the planner during the classes and now it's the time to act on it. And whatever we've done in the classes, just skim through your notes right after your class. Number second, stretch yourself, do some exercise because you've been sitting for too long now. And the best is to take a power nap. Why would I say that? Because I really want that all this information gets consolidated in your mind, and for that, power nap is the best technique. Another interesting thing that you can do is, once your class is over, for the next class you can set a reminder or an alarm on your phone 30 minutes prior to the class, so that you can make all the necessary arrangements for the next class. Do you also face the same problem where you have saved the links, you don't get, whenever the class is starting, you get 5 to 10 minutes late just because you could not find where you have saved the links? So a small solution for that. Number one is, either you can make a document on the Word doc or the Google Doc or the notes and save all the links together for all the classes. This will really help you out and will save you from going into the panic mode. Now let's quickly get on to the exercises that you can do right before the class so that your concentration or your focus level could be increased. Exercise number one, take a newspaper, take an article, and there just mark 2 to 3 paragraphs and start counting the words, okay? And start timing yourself, all right? And try to decrease the time every time you do this activity. You know why? This will really help you to speed read. This will really help you to concentrate. So do try out this exercise. Exercise number 2. If your mind is wavering too much, what you can do is just look at the clock and look at the second hand, okay, for at least 2 minutes. When you are putting your entire attention there, you'll be able to concentrate better, all right? Number 3, listen to an audio book and pause it in between and write down the crux of what you've just heard. Why I am saying this? Because this will help you in grasping the maximum out of what you are listening. Now, exercise number 4, and that is going to be opening and closing your fist, all right? This will also really help you. Now the next exercise is going to be, from one hand you're going to make this and from the other hand you're going to make this, and you have to try it out for 5 minutes and reversing it. So this will also involve your mind in it and you will become more attentive during your classes. I hope all these small hacks will really help you out. Do try them out and let me know in the comment section below if they were useful for you or not. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.